A hairstyle can be a powerful tool for transformation. It has the ability to enhance your natural beauty, frame your face in the most flattering way, and even take years off your appearance. Many women over 60 are unknowingly holding on to outdated hairstyles that do little to complement their evolving features. The truth is, the right cut can make a world of difference. With 2025 bringing fresh hairstyling trends tailored for mature women, it's the perfect time to embrace a look that not only flatters but also reflects your personality and lifestyle. When choosing a hairstyle after 60, the key is to work with your natural texture, highlight your best features, and opt for a cut that requires minimal maintenance. While changing your hairstyle might feel intimidating, the right one can elevate your confidence and create a fresh, youthful energy. If you've ever wondered whether your current style is serving you well, this guide will help you discover 7 anti-aging hairstyles designed specifically for mature women. The soft layered bob. Easy elegance. One of the most versatile hairstyles for women over 60 is the soft layered bob. This is not the blunt, one-length bob that can sometimes look too severe. Instead, the soft layered bob sits gently around the jawline or slightly below, with delicate layers that add movement and volume. This style works beautifully for mature women because it enhances the natural contours of the face. As we age, our facial structure changes, but the layered bob flatters the cheekbones and jawline, giving the appearance of a gentle lift. Additionally, many women notice that their hair begins to thin over time. The great news is that the soft layered bob creates the illusion of fuller, thicker hair without needing excessive styling. The ease of styling is another reason why this hairstyle is a top choice. A quick blow dry with a round brush or a little lightweight mousse at the roots is all you need to achieve a polished, effortless look. If you prefer a wash-and-go approach, allowing it to air dry still results in a chic, youthful style. This cut also grows out gracefully, meaning you won't need frequent trips to the salon. It's the perfect option for women who want a stylish yet low-maintenance hairstyle that looks good on straight, wavy, or curly hair. The modern shag. Youthful volume. If you're looking for a style with a bit more volume and personality, the modern shag is an excellent choice. This updated take on the classic shag features refined, soft layers that add movement without appearing overly choppy. Unlike the shags of the past, the 2025 version is designed to be sophisticated and wearable, making it perfect for women in their 60s and beyond. The modern shag works wonders for women with fine or thinning hair because the layers create the illusion of density. If your hair has started to feel heavy or lifeless, this cut adds a sense of lightness while maintaining natural body and bounce. One of its greatest benefits is that it enhances your hair's natural texture. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly, the layers encourage effortless styling. This style is particularly appealing for those who prefer a more relaxed, tousled look. A bit of mousse scrunched into damp hair is all you need for natural volume, while a diffuser attachment on a blow dryer can add even more bounce in a short amount of time. Women who have tried this style often find that their hair appears thicker and more youthful with minimal effort. Soft curtain bangs. Face-framing refreshed bangs can be a game-changer when it comes to refreshing your look. But for mature women, straight-across bangs can sometimes be too harsh. This is where soft curtain bangs come in. This elegant, face-framing style is parted in the middle and gently blends into the rest of the hair, offering a flattering and youthful touch. One of the best things about curtain bangs is their ability to soften facial features. They draw attention to the eyes and cheekbones, providing a subtle lifting effect. If forehead lines are a concern, these bangs can naturally camouflage them while still looking effortless. Unlike traditional bangs that require frequent trims and meticulous styling, curtain bangs are much more forgiving. They grow out seamlessly, blending into your hair without requiring constant upkeep. For styling, a small round brush while blow drying is enough to shape them beautifully, or you can simply use your fingers to sweep them into place. The textured Pixie. Carefree confidence for women who are ready to embrace a shorter, low-maintenance look. The textured Pixie cut is a fantastic option. This isn't the rigid, one-dimensional Pixie of the past. Instead, today's version incorporates varied lengths for a softer, more natural appearance. A textured Pixie frames the face beautifully, emphasizing the eyes and cheekbones while creating a naturally lifted effect. The biggest advantage of this cut is how much body and volume it brings, especially for those with fine or thinning hair. Because it's so short, the hair appears fuller and healthier instantly. The best part? This style takes just minutes to maintain. A bit of lightweight styling cream worked through the layers with your fingers is enough to achieve a polished yet effortless look. It's a liberating choice for women who want a modern, chic style without the hassle of extensive styling. The classic French bob, timeless sophistication for those who prefer a more structured yet still timeless style. The classic French bob is an excellent choice. This chin-length cut features a clean, precise line that exudes sophistication and elegance. What makes this style so flattering for mature women is its ability to create definition. The sharp, even cut frames the face beautifully, highlighting the jawline and cheekbones. It also makes hair appear thicker, which is a plus for those with finer strands. This cut holds its shape remarkably well, making it a practical choice for women who don't want to visit the salon too frequently. Whether air-dried for a natural look or blow-dried for a sleeker finish, the French bob is effortlessly stylish and refined. Shoulder length with soft layers. Versatile elegance if you prefer keeping some length but still want movement and volume. A shoulder length cut with soft layers is the perfect middle ground. This style is long enough to feel feminine yet short enough to avoid looking weighed down. The addition of subtle layers prevents the hair from appearing flat, giving it natural bounce and body. This cut is particularly versatile. It can be worn down for an elegant look, pulled back into a ponytail for practicality, or styled into a soft updo for special occasions. The gentle asymmetrical cut. Subtle distinction for those looking for a unique but not extreme change. The gentle asymmetrical cut offers the perfect balance. A slight difference in length on either side adds movement and character, making it a stylish yet wearable option. This style works well for all hair types and textures, and because it's already slightly uneven, it grows out beautifully with minimal maintenance. The asymmetry naturally draws attention to the best facial features, adding a fresh and youthful dimension to your overall look. Finding the right style for you. The perfect hairstyle isn't about following trends. It's about finding a cut that makes you feel confident and beautiful while working with your natural texture and lifestyle. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of a layered bob, the volume of a modern shag, or the effortless charm of a textured pixie, there's a rejuvenating style for every woman. Embracing a fresh look can be empowering. If you've been considering a change, now is the perfect time to experiment with a style that enhances your best features while keeping maintenance simple. Which one of these styles speaks to you? It's time to embrace your most radiant, youthful self.